Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make a mosaic, which is an art project. You use different shapes to make a picture. So what I'm gonna do is first, I think I'm gonna make a heart today. So I'm gonna take a white piece of crayon and I'm just gonna draw my heart. So I have an outline. There we go. Then I'm gonna take the colors that I want. I picked red, purple, and blue today, and I'm going to make little squares out of them. So I'm gonna cut some strips with my scissors. All right, now that I have my strips, now I'm gonna cut them into little squares. So I'm gonna take a little pile of them, and I'm just gonna cut them into littler pieces. All right, now that I have all of my pieces cut, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna use my glue, and I am going to fill the heart with glue. All right, now what I wanna do is I think I'm gonna use the red pieces and fill the heart with red. All right, I think I almost got my heart full. All right, look at that. Now I wanna decorate the outside of the heart, I think with the blues and the purples. So now I'm gonna fill the outside of the heart with the glue all over. Now a fun thing you can do is instead of just using squares and rectangles, can you use other shapes? How fun would that have been if I had filled my heart with heart shapes? Now I'm gonna start filling all this black area with the blues and the purples. All right, I think I got all my squares on. Look at this beautiful mosaic heart picture that I made. Now you don't have to do a heart. What are you gonna make? You could use all different colors. You can use whatever shape you want, whatever picture you wanna make, and make your own beautiful mosaic. If you wanna do more fun activities, you should check out our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.